y'all. We're here at Baker Road Townhomes in Satsuma, Alabama. This is a pet-friendly community in a great location. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhouse. Let's go take a look. Come on in. Every unit features a spacious living room. Down the hall, you'll find a convenient half bathroom, a laundry room with washer and dryer connections, the dining room, and the fully equipped kitchen with a pantry. Outside, you'll find a spacious backyard. Going back inside, upstairs, you'll find a linen closet, a full bathroom, the first bedroom, and the second bedroom, which features a bonus closet. Click the link below to book your tour today.